السلام علیکم پیارے حضور.
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ہاں جی, کیا فرماتی ہو مریم؟
My name is Maimuna C, and my question is, in the durood shareef, Hazrat Ibrahim is mentioned. Why not any other prophets?
You see, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is called Abul Anbiya, right? It is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam who have quite a number of prophets from his children or from his progeny, right? So if you see the present day known religions, most of the people are following the religion of Abraham, as Christians, Jews and Muslims. So Christians and Jews are the descendant of Hazrat Ishaq, and Muslims are descendant of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, right? So this is why Allah Ta'ala has blessed, we say durood shareef on Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. We take the example of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam because Allah Ta'ala has blessed Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam more than any other prophet. From the progeny of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam that we see, there are quite a number of prophets, and we cannot see the number of prophets from the progeny of any other prophet. And this is why Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is called Abul Anbiya. Even in the last of the prophet who came to complete the Sharia and the law of Allah Ta'ala, he was from the progeny of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. This is why we say, while reciting the durood shareef, we mention the name of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, because he was blessed more than any other prophet. And the coming of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the sign of his being blessed more than any other prophet, right? Okay or not? So okay, assalamu alaikum.